Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you this XBAY car wireless adapter. The awesome thing here is that it works for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So if you don't know what phones you are using, maybe close to switching the phones, this could be the perfect solution for you. Of course, it's supporting music, phone calls, navigation, voice assistant, and much more. And you will be able to use your normal touch screen, your radio buttons, push buttons, whatsoever. It supports the latest Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology, and it's supposed to be plug and play. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get and how to set it up, how to connect and how we can use that. So stay tuned till the very end of the video. And so here's what we get. Comes with a small instructions manual, and here the device nicely protected. It's a pretty small one. Of course, not just a small dongle, but I think it's a rather small device. Should definitely fit in every car. It's very slim one, very lightweight. And it comes with this double-sided tape here in the back. We get also two connection cables, once USB A to C and one time C to C. It's always a little bit different. Some of the cars are supporting these wireless adapters only from USB A and some are supporting them from USB C. So just try and see where it works. Maybe even works on both of the ports. And so I'm here in the car and you can see I have already an old wireless car adapter, but it hasn't been working reliable. So let's also go with the USB A to USB-C, plug it in here. You can see I could easily stick it here on the side, still enough space for the phones to charge. And so I guess the car has to be running. And so I've turned on the car. And so you can see it says Bluetooth device, Smart Box 7190. I guess that's this XBAY device. So let's go to connections and Bluetooth. And so in the available devices, I can see Smart Box 7190. Click on that. Bluetooth pairing request shows me some number. Click on pair. Let's see if I have to enter something. Comes back here to the main screen. So it says Android Auto is connected. Also confirmation here on the phone. And I see the menu icon Android Auto. Of course, I have to blur this here because it shows my home location and my name, but everything is here. So let's see if it's stable. Because with my old Android Auto device, it dropped always out. So you can see I can use normal multi-touch here, zoom in and zoom out. And when I click here on the side, I get all the apps like calendar, maps, messages. As you can see, I can even get some weather information, live weather radar, for example, messages, everything. Here even my smart home assistant, Google Voice, Skype News, Maps, phone, whatsoever. Absolutely awesome. Can even use voice assistant. And so in the whole time it hasn't dropped out a single time. Seems to be very stable connection. And so the only thing I had to do here was to connect to the Bluetooth, and it was already done. So not only perfect for a first connection, but also seems to work easy when you want to switch from an older, maybe not so reliable Android Auto or Apple CarPlay device to this new one, which seems to be super reliable, XBAY. Yeah, I'm super happy with that now. Looks like it was a good choice, so full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down a link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this device, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.